Alright, y'all, we're back with another mystery box. As you can see, I'm finna pop this one open. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment. See what we got up in here. Oh yeah, we got Chucky right here. As you can see. Let me lower this camera down. Yeah. A lot better. So we got Chucky right here. It's a little 500 piece puzzle. It's a little bent up on the box, but it's alright. It's alright. We got that. And we got looks like an open box of Star Wars cards from Skybox. Let's see what's inside this box. Nice. Oh yeah, this is a nice box. Let's go through these comics. These cards. We got that one right there. We got that one right there. This box is from Storage Legends. So I got this from. Got this one right here. It's pretty nice. I like these cards. Let's get some more light up in here. Yeah. Nice inner and little plastic protector. Little plastic sleeves. Bag sleeves, whatever you want to call them. Nice. I don't know how clear you can see it on the camera, but I guess it's not that much light. Today's a little cloudy, sunny but cloudy. Go through these a little quicker. I like this one right here, Yoda. Yoda. They're slippery. Okay. Stop chewing on your feet. Ooh. These ones slide out of my hands. I think they did. Alright. Yeah, these are pretty nice. Let's go a little quicker. So far, the favorite one I like is the Yoda. Yoda. That's a lot of cards. I still got another. I like that one too. RTD2. No, not RTD2, but what's his name? Is that RTD2? No, RTD2 is the little short robot, right? Should say his name on here. I don't know. Oh, I like this one too. Got the cartoon one, huh? That's nice. I like the cartoon ones. Alright, that's it for this one. I guess I can go through the other ones real quick. Let's put these back in the bag. It's a big stack of them. It's a lot of cards right here. I wonder if this is a whole set. Might be. Alright. Let's get to these ones. See what these ones look like. All in sleeves though. I think all in sleeves though. This one's not open. Is it open? Oh, that's what the pack looked like, I guess. This one says tops on it, but I wonder if this one's tops. Are these tops or skybox? Oh, these are all tops. Is the other ones tops? Must be a different box then, huh? Oh, I like this one. Yeah, I like that one. That was my favorite. Let's put that one to the side. That one's tight. She holding the gun. Darth Vader. Ooh, I like Darth Vader. Chewbacca. I like Chewbacca. Darth Vader got somebody by the neck. Darth Vader. That one's clean. Is that the Menando? What's his name? Is that him? I don't know. Can't tell. Alright. I don't know if I want to go through all these, but that's it for this one. Let's check, see what else is in here. Okay, so I got this one right here. Let's put this box now. Got this boy right here. Matter of fact, let me put these cards up real quick. I like these cards. guess these is tops. Skybox. Alright. Check this little guy out. Look at that. That's crazy, yeah. That's tight. Look realistic. Alright, that's it for this one. Let's see what else we got up in here. Oh, shoot. We got a pack of cards up in here. Let's see what's in here. What we got up in here? Oh man, got that John Stockton rookie card. It's a 9, graded at a 9. Beautiful. Well, there's a card behind it. And Michael Jordan. Beautiful. And Michael Jordan card, huh? Got that John Stockton. I need to take this little tape off, whatever it is. There we go. Got that LeBron James jersey card. That Michael Jordan graded at a 10. Oh shoot, is that a crack? It is. Got a slight little crack on it. But it's graded at a 10 though. Oh, Beckett. Kobe Bryant. It's a nice card. What year is this one? This one is a... let's see if I can see with the camera. Can't tell. Anybody knows what year this is? Is that Kobe? Let me know. Hit it in the comments. All right, that's it for that one. Let's see. Got one more. This is the last. This is the last one. Now this one's an unopened box of NASCAR's racing. Badass, huh? Unopened box, though. Definitely gonna I'm keeping this closed. This is not gonna be open. I can't open this one. 1992. So 1956 all the way to 1991. That's what's in this pack, I guess. This is nice. I like that. So this was it for this box. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. Make sure you follow. Hit that subscribe. It doesn't cost anything. Peace, y'all.